Hi and welcome to May. It is so nice to see you again. I love putting this video together, so I hope you enjoy me sharing all the bits and pieces that have happened for me over the last few weeks. I have three major things this month. Well, there's been more than three, but I'm just going to share three of them with you and put some of the information of these three things below in the text. So if there's any links that you'd like to go and check out more, you can. So the first thing is not actually a link at all. But it is a major business and personal achievement that I thought I would share with you. So over the last few years, I have been working behind the scenes, in the background, putting things together so that I could offer to a corporate / business client a 2-day workshop that really helps their team come together and work together really super effectively. Sometimes I've referred to that as team engagement, but it's really about enhancing the current team. The excitement is that has now come into fruition, and I have a 2-day workshop coming up over the next few months with a lovely new client on Bribie, and I'm just absolutely thrilled that I have been chosen for this. So that has been, like I said, a really strong personal achievement and also a business achievement. So yay, one of my really big wins. So thanks for celebrating with me. So the second thing I wanted to highlight, which there is a link for below, is for the Unlock Your Power program. So I have been hinting that there's been an edition coming, and it is now fully fledged in the website, all part of the Unlock Your Power program, and I am absolutely thrilled. So some of the pieces that had to fall in was not only all the wording and making sure that I've described the new edition properly and effectively, but that I also have had some, not trials, but I've had an opportunity to work with clients who have already completed the Unlock Your Power program, and we've created this new edition for them and seen how it's starting to play out in their life. And the new edition is called Principle of Relationship. That's what the principle is. And the way that people are seeing that play out in their life is just fantastic. I personally am loving seeing the changes in my own life after doing it, but I love it more when I hear about others' experiences and how the changes of how they interact with people and who they're interacting with and how that looks. It's just been delightful to watch. So, Unlock Your Power program. If that is something you are interested in, there is a link below. The new edition is now all incorporated in, and I'm super excited that that's all ready to go. The third thing is a lovely little opportunity that I had to do an interview with an online radio station called Talkers FM. This came about because they were at the Professional Speakers Convention in March, and I put my hand up and said, sure, I'd love to be interviewed. That would be lovely. I didn't quite know what that would all entail, but it was a great opportunity to share a little bit about what I do through my speaking. So that link is also below. So if you feel like having a listen for about 10-15 minutes or so, please enjoy that conversation. Coming up in May, I have a couple of presentations that I'll be doing. So one is in the city. That's a lovely group that I'm now part of, and I'm really thrilled because the topic that I'm presenting is unpacking your talents. So we're really going to be looking at the different talents in the room and where everyone can be benefiting each other. So that's fun. And you know, the rest of May is a little bit open, and I'm really pleased with that because that means that any opportunities that come along, I can really grab hold of them and make the most out of them. So my wish for you this month is to enjoy the month ahead, enjoy all the opportunities that are coming your way, and I look forward to seeing you at the beginning of June.